today, Chef Peter. We truly
Good afternoon. It's about
Christ University. Chef Sun is fun, approachable, and easy. Cooked with a mission to revolutionize home.
I just graduated from Food Consulate. I'm a commie chef now at Kalyan Dubai. It's a steakhouse. Whatever I experienced here, it has proven to be very helpful there.
There's a lot of learning and we had a lot of interaction with the chefs we had, and it was a very great experience.
And I really didn't have any ideas to where I can actually come and learn all the techniques and everything. But then I heard of Food Consulate like a few years back and I was thinking of joining more. Luckily last year, everything lined up. I was taking a gap year after finishing school and it just lined up perfectly and I joined.
I think this has been one of the best experiences in my whole life. I remember this till my last breath. It has taught me a lot, not just about pastry, but also patience and consistency in life. Since my background is in nutrition and dietetics, I want to give people healthy food. So I'm doing my R&D so that people can enjoy healthy baked foods without any guilt.
Hi, my name is Archana. So I'm so glad to be a part of Food Consulate. I joined here on the January batch and we've learned so much. So Food Consulate has taught us a lot of pastry techniques. The vast amount of recipes they've given us, I hope it's really helpful for us. Looking forward to entering the industry and improving myself.
Taken a break from my work. நான் சாஃப்ட்வேரில் ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருந்தேன். அங்கேருந்து பிரேக் எடுத்து after many years I wanted to start some passion for myself. இது என்னோட passion. So when I came to Food Consulate and inquired right from the start till I went out of the institute, it was very, very good experience I had. It was like home. I've already started my home baking and I'm also taking classes for kids.
I run my own home baking brand called Bake Creations. I'm doing my UG degree right now. So once I complete it, I would expand it further. In Chennai surrounding is one of the best institute to join for. I did have a lot of memories, even though there's only 6 months of classes.